Maintaining your critical equipment is more challenging than ever before. Keeping your operation running at peak efficiency can feel like a second full-time job. Donaldson's service technicians will work with you to understand your operations needs, from simple repairs and routine inspections to filter changeouts and full installations. You can count on Donaldson to help keep your equipment running smoothly. Donaldson's certified technicians are capable of servicing any brand of dust collector. They thoroughly inspect your equipment, identify any issues, and provide industry-leading solutions. Whether it's replacing filters or components, preventative maintenance, or timely repairs, our technicians focus on maximizing your system's uptime. Our expertise in compressed air and gas purification can help maintain productivity levels. We've got you covered, from preventative maintenance and system audits to piping designs and full retrofits. We tackle industrial hydraulics issues to improve reliability and maximize equipment performance. Our services cover filter changes, tank cleaning, dehydrator repairs, and pump rebuilding. When it comes to making sure you have what you need when you need it, we make getting the right filters and parts easy so you can keep your operation up and running. Working with Donaldson Filtration Services means having a partner who can help maintain and service your equipment to get the results you demand. Learn how Donaldson's service technicians can support your operation.